Service Bridge Agency organized state-level youth convention cum cultural meet on the theme Be the Voice of New India at the Darbar Hall of Raj Bhavan, Imphal this morning. The event is attended by Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah and Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Syam. A suspected IED bomb was exploded last night nearby a rented accommodation located in Khurai Ahongai Lekar of Imphal East, according to reports. It is learned that the rented house was owned by one retired doctor, Thingbaijam Bihari. However, no casualties are reported in the explosion. Under the Civic Action Program, 109 Battalion Central Service Police Force today distributed 20 water storage tanks to Mongsangai residents during a program held at the community hall of Mongsangai Makhalaikai. The 5th Lamyanba Hijam Irawat Ningsing Sport Painting Competition will be held on 29th of this month at Kwakaitel Girls High School located in Kwakaitel Bazaar, Imphal. The painting competition will be organized by Apunba Ireipaki Mahairoi Singangrok. A team of Thoubal Police under the supervision of Superintendent of Police, Thoubal District, Dr. S. Ibomcha, busted an illegal liquor brewery in Thoubal Athopam Awang Laikai yesterday. According to a report, the police team also nabbed one person allegedly involved in the racket alongside seizing 126 bottles of liquor, 873 empty labeled bottles, 20-litre jerry can filled with chemical and other related items during the raid. Nagaland Agriculture Minister G. Kaito I said that the central government has introduced an old-age scheme for small land holding and marginal farmers in the country called Pradhan Mantri Kisan Mandhan Yojana as per reports. The PMKMY is a voluntary contribution pension scheme and individuals in the age group of 18 to 40 years may register for the scheme. It will provide a monthly pension of Rs 3,000 after the registered farmers attain 60 years of age. In a good news for Indian students going to Britain for studying, the UK government has announced a 2-year post-study work visa expanding opportunities for brilliant international students to build successful careers in the UK. The new graduate route will be open to all international students, including those from India as per sources.